What's up, y'all? As y'all can see by the title and the thumbnail, we got a new lacing video for y'all today. Got a banger. Hold on, let's bring it in, shall we? Bow. Y'all already know what these are. One of the most greatest shoes of all time. You understand what I'm saying? Like literally one of the best shoes of all time. If you know, you know. You better know. I'm not playing. Y'all better know. You know what I'm saying? Jordan socks for the Jordans. Let's unbox these, shall we? Feel me? Got the box, yes sir. The GOAT. The GOAT! If you know, you know. Already remembered to take the laces out prior. So if you're wondering why the laces is not in there, I prior took the laces out. So, yeah. So I can already prepare for this. Let's take out one shoe. Let's take out the next shoe. Let's get the box real quick. Let's look at that one more time. The GOAT. Yeah. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, y'all. You feel me? We shooting for the stars all year, every year. Oh, let's switch these around. Whoop, bow, okay. Fresh, a little fresh. My floor is a little dirty, don't mind that. But the shoe is still clean, you know what I'm saying? The stars is there, you see what's going on. You feel me? 2024 black cement Air Jordan 3s. How to lace. This is a fire shoe, bro. I love this shoe. Like seriously, size 10, as you can see. You feel me? The date was 3/20/2024 to 6/05/2024. So it's about 2.5 months of production. Let's get straight into this, shall we? Got the laces. The lace should be in each shoe. Yeah. Bow. Let's put this aside for right now. Fix that tongue real quick. Yeah. Oh my goodness, these are nice. Like the quality, I'm trying to tell you, the quality is nice, y'all. Y'all don't sleep on these, bro. Do not sleep on these. Y'all gonna regret if you don't get them. I'm trying to tell you. You're gonna want to buy them later on down the line, then you're gonna have to pay that resale price, and then you're gonna be mad as hell. Just get them when you got the opportunity, you feel me? All right. Boom, boom, boom. Let's get this shit going, shall we? Okay, perfect fit, perfect fit. They feel so nice, bro. Word of mouth. Always get tip to tip, you know? No cap, hold on. Don't want the top to be too tight because I like to have my shoes loose lit. Main reason why I'm about to lace these up for real, because I told y'all in the last video, these are going on right away. And plus I'm about to go outside, so I want to actually test these out. You know what I'm saying? I want to see how they feel. These are going to be like one of my everyday shoes from now on. Hands down, I ain't going to lie. I'm just going to be throwing these bitches on like every day. If you know, you know. Shout out to Black Cements, the Breads, White Cements, all the OGs, red toes, black toes. I got to do a little bit of adjustments before I actually go outside, but this is going to be kind of like the finishing product. Just like that. Yes, sir. Let's take these off so I can show y'all 4K. You know what I'm saying? It's a little raggedy, but don't mind that, you feel me? Y'all get the point of the view, you feel me? Like for real, for real. If I stuff them and make it look a little bit, you know what I'm saying? Professional, you'll see it looks a lot more cleaner. But like I said, I still gotta do certain adjustments before I go outside, you feel me? So at the end of the day, this is the moral of the point. You know, lacing Jordan 3s is probably one of the easiest laces ever, you know what I'm saying? Like next to like Jordan 1s or some shit, you feel me? I'm gonna be right back. Let me lace the other foot up real quick so I can show you them both on feet. All right, got them both laced up now. Apologize, I had to do a little tweaks and adjustments, you know what I'm saying, to this shoe specifically, because this is the first one I started off with, you know, rough draft, final draft, make it match up. If you know, you know. You know what I'm saying? Period. Anyways, get a little look around, you know what I'm saying? Let me see if I can show y'all these. Take them on feet. Whoop. I can tell that this one is gonna crease. I just saw the way that, I saw that crease, I saw that. Damn, I don't even wanna do it, I'm not even gonna do that. I saw that crease though. I'm not even gonna worry about it. Wear your shoes, y'all. Always wear your shoes, you feel me? Yes, sir. You see that slope, bro? Don't mind me, you know what I'm saying? Just trying to show y'all the freaking shoe. Little slide on things, you know what I'm saying? Shoes that you can just throw on, feel me? With the black Nike Tech, you feel me? If you know, you know. Don't mind these, feel me? Anyways, you see what's going on? Yeah, bro, these joints clean, you right? These joints clean, y'all. Don't even play around with it. Don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it. Yo, bro, these joints clean, you know what I'm saying? Pair of Jordan 3s just to chase this cash. You feel me, you feel me. If you know, you know. 2024 by the end. Oh yeah, 2025 by the heat. You know what I'm saying? 2025 by the heat. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. And someone keep showing y'all these. I really love these, bro. This is one of my favorite Jordans of all times, bro. Feel me? Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. You feel me? You feel me? Yeah. Yo. See what's going on. Come on now.